Around the world, while I fly, seen cyanide paralyze entire tribes. If he's burning syncopized near the fireside, lactate may in turn climb to 9. Save a life, purge carbon and nitrogen. Cyanide will turn into a vitamin, so when it face you, it won't take you by surprise, cause you're a private eye in cyanide. On day 1, we landed in Africa, explored the continent with a few other passengers. Met Latimer, who said in the old times, use cyanide to leach oil from the gold mines. But near the coastline, it poisoned the river, like Biary and unfolded with victims. Nonetheless, he had to make a living, use cyanide to go play chains for a business. We looked at photographs, Wally and cassava. So 5 days that was made by his mama. Since I'm a doctor, it got kinda intimate. Sister had cancer but died from amygdala. Cousins in the Congo, suffering from Conzo. Thought it was polio, now food that they swallowed. Cyanide even left some visionless. Amblyopia for smoking cigarettes. Been around the world while I fly, seen cyanide paralyze entire tribes. If he's burning syncopized near the fireside, lactate may in turn climb to 9. Save a life, purge carbon and nitrogen. Cyanide will turn into a vitamin, so when it face you, it won't take you by surprise, cause you're a private eye in cyanide. Been around the world while I fly, seen cyanide paralyze entire tribes. If he's burning syncopized near the fireside, lactate may in turn climb to 9. Save a life, purge carbon and nitrogen. Cyanide will turn into a vitamin, so when it face you, it won't take you by surprise, cause you're a private eye in cyanide. Went to Guyana after Africa, with cyanide led to the Jonestown massacre. It blocked mitochondrial A3 transport. Without cytochrome, ATP can't form. NADH starts to rise, which stimulates LDH to overdrive. Lactate is produced in glycolysis. When pyrates reduce with hydrogen, lactate becomes glucose in the liver, cause cells need ATP before the injury. Quickly glycolysis starts to spiral down. Without oxygen and cyanide bound, but nitrites will displace the vice form. Cyanide HB and save his life. It's modified in the liver notably by thiosulfate via rodent needs. The final fate is a thiocyanate, but nitrates are really used in the United States. You'll likely see hydroxycobalamin retail to bind cyanide to vitamin B12. Been around the world while I fly, seen cyanide paralyze entire tribes. If he's burning syncopized near the fireside, lactate may in turn climb to 9. Save a life, purge carbon and nitrogen. Cyanide will turn into a vitamin, so when it face you, it won't take you by surprise, cause you're a private eye in cyanide. Been around the world while I fly, seen cyanide paralyze entire tribes. If he's burning syncopized near the fireside, lactate may in turn climb to 9. Save a life, purge carbon and nitrogen. Cyanide will turn into a vitamin, so when it face you, it won't take you by surprise, cause you're a private eye in cyanide. Last week, I arrived in Oakland, saw my man Pete when a crisis unfolded. He was a fireman prior to retirement. Saw a house of fire and decided that he's diving in. He was built and smothered from wool, silk and rubber and carbon monoxide. He's pale, losing color. Stumbled outside, smoke in his eyesight. Carbon monoxide, so I'm for the nitrites in India. So that option is hazardous. Rather give him fiber hydroxycobalamin. BP rose, nitric oxide, scavenge quick. He'll walk rose red a few hours after it. Been around the world while I fly, seen cyanide paralyze entire tribes. If he's burning syncopized near the fireside, lactate may in turn climb to 9. Save a life, purge carbon and nitrogen. Cyanide will turn into a vitamin, so when it face you, it won't take you by surprise, cause you're a private eye in cyanide. Been around the world while I fly, seen cyanide paralyze entire tribes. If he's burning syncopized near the fireside, lactate may in turn climb to 9. Save a life, purge carbon and nitrogen. Cyanide will turn into a vitamin, so when it face you, it won't take you by surprise, cause you're a private eye in cyanide.